Hey everybody, welcome to Real Talk with Lisa Wilson,
Tiffany Cofield,
where we speak fluent
fluent
sarcasm,
sarcasm.
and it's a daily thing with us. If we're not sarcastic, it's just not a full day.
That's true.
So let's talk a little bit about the upcoming series that we are working on now for the month of September. This is kind of an intro to what kind of goes on in our head, I guess, which is a scary place to be. So it's going to be a great month, the month of September. We're ready for cooler weather. We hear people talking about pumpkin spice latte, blah, 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 all the time.
I had one this morning.
Oh, God. But the cooler weather, bonfires with friends and families. And in the fall is always a really busy time for us because we ramp up for the Canine Crawl in October, the Veteran Services Jeep Run. Then we have, of course, the Aiden Parade and the Greenville Parade, which this year we've really stepped it up a notch. You wait. But there's so much going on, and September is that gateway to everything that is fall and the holidays. So it's an exciting time of year, not just for us, but for everybody else. But in the month of September, we want to talk about sellers. So we hear all the time tips and tricks for first-time buyers. What about first-time sellers? What if you bought your first home and now you're ready to sell? Maybe you're relocating, you want to get out of the city, you're working remotely, or you're empty nesters and you're going to sell that house that you've lived in forever, and it's a new experience for you. So we are going to focus on first-time sellers. I know! This is going to be fun. So it's a changing market, and sellers need to know what to expect as much as possible. None of us have a crystal ball, but there are tools at our disposal that can help. So we're going to carve out some specific tools. We're going to give you resources and information that you can take away and really think about and maybe make your list as you prepare to sell your home in the near future or even distant future. But this will help you sell your home a little more efficiently, for lack of a better word. So we're going to talk about open houses, staging, and artificial intelligence in marketing. How to set the right price. I mean, who comes up with the price? Renovations that maybe net you a little bit more money or maybe a lot more money. And so many other things. I mean, we've got a whole list over here about curb appeal and different things that go into listings. But sit back, grab a cup of coffee, take some notes, and don't forget to check out the entire series, all these series that we have done on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. So have an awesome day. It's the very end of August, and that means, the pool parties are dwindling down to, polar plunge-ish stuff. Anyway, have a great day, and don't forget while you're out there, beep at the Jeep.